Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. One of Brown Mokot's properties was actually raided, but he wasn't there in Mahikeng, one of his businesses, basically. So now he's speaking on TV. He says, he's like, the people that work for him have never seen so many rifles in their lifetime. And he also says, Naye, he's never seen anything like that. But he says he wasn't there. The reason why they raiding them, it's because Vele, everything that Mkwanas is saying is not true. This is why they start to raid them. I'm just like, no, bruh. What are you even on about now? What's in Gatlake? Hey. He doesn't trust SAPS, ne? I think ushaya lezi zika chief of staff usika Mchunu, you remember? Unkabindi, when he said he doesn't trust them, they didn't find him. They only found the brother. And then they started to beat up the brother, you know. And then Unkabindi was just like, had I been there, they would have done more than what they did to my brother. Umukhotsi is also saying the same thing. It's just like, kusho ukuthi bebezongenza izinto mhlambe nami, and luckily I wasn't there. Also, I don't trust them. I'm just like, what do you mean though about Umkhwanazi ukuthi he's not telling the truth? Are you not the one that was trying to snitch people when you wrote him a WhatsApp? You are the person. You are that person. In fact, you are the one that was busy writing him WhatsApps. And mina, I feel good. You are a snitch. The fact that you did that, busy writing WhatsApps and all of that, because you are connected to Kat Matlala, you're connected to that person, you're connected to... And the raids have nothing to do with Mkwanas. Those raids were actually created. Wow, how am I supposed to put it? Created by Umasemul, who I should say when he was in Cape Town last week. He was just like, I know, Imina, but I'm the one that actually sent it to those, to especially Shadrach, when they didn't even find him. He was just like, he wasn't home at 3 o'clock in the morning. Where were you? We in underground with your entourage, Omatala and them. And then manje, when you get there, you do agree with you about no problem. What are you doing with those people? And then you were trying now to put Nkandla Mkhwanazi with some wolves. Guti Azimuli. Yeah, they're not gonna eat him up. We are here for him. Sazokhuluma kahle ngoSenzo Mchunu. uSenzo Mchunu ke naye does the same thing, right? Exactly like umngane wakhe uShadrack Sibiya, and goes there and lie. Oh my word. Waqamba manga ubrothers ebambekile engazi ukuthi uthini. Afile nokuthi ne-PKTT is not the one. Like fanele uma umuntu uyidecidele ukuthi the PKTT ufuna uqhubeka nayo ufuna ukwenzani. Guys, that guy, he doesn't know what he was saying. Like ngingathi phuma umoya when he was speaking, I'm still gonna deal with him and dissect him. What are you even saying? Uthini ngomkhwanazi wabantu? It was day one for Umchunu. Sizobona kahle kusasa, but I found that he's actually better than uShadrack. He could actually articulate himself better, you know, and he was confident. Confidence yakhe is in another level. But uyampika ke futhi uBrown Mokgotsi. So mina kaze ngazi indaba kaBrown Mokgotsi. Abantu bahlezi bempika. I'm just like, I don't know, and ufuna kuba umngani wabo oyifuna kuba umngani kaMkhwanazi at some stage wembhala lama WhatsApp eceba abantu. I'm just like, I'm done. Ushaya ezikafikile, he's just like, hey, angimazi. Phela ufikile Mbalula was just like, hey, I don't know that chap. Who's that fellow? You know, guys, mina it's just like ufikile amazi uBrown Mokgotsi, guys, please. Lalela, uCyril Ramaphosa vele izinto encane ngawo, avela kususpend. Bakabuza nokubuza with immediate effect for that matter. For Imitez Faisal. Wavele suspendwa ubhuti lo. ophethe e-crime intelligence. So i-behavior yakhe is not right. So i-committee is also going to look at it ad hoc. Ayidlali nabantu. Ad hoc, guys, ihlala kuze kube u-3 ekuseni. When do they sleep? When do they eat? I'm not sure. But basemsebenzini, fanele basebenze. So it was like, lo ngicela nibe busy naye, please. Please, ncedeni. There's been like a few complaints apparently about him at work, brothers. The only thing Shedrack ngeke sikwazi ukumcompare noMchunu is that he was all over the place and he was contradicting himself. You know why? Because most of his statements are lies vele. You understand? He was trying to pin Umkhwanazi and be like, I don't know what he wants from me. Like, that's not important. You need to concentrate on defend yourself, basically, on the allegations that we've been saying. Okay, what only 1 million for Senzo May was passing. This is what happened. Finally, proper. Don't contradict yourself here.